How to use Nova AI app full chatbot tutorial. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with Nova AI chatbot. So of course, to start up is to pull up your Google Play Store or any app store available on your end. You just want to have the search for Nova AI, and then just make sure that you're downloading the correct application. So this is going to be the one, AI chatbot Nova. Make sure to download this, and then once you've successfully downloaded it, just simply open it. Now, if we're doing so, Nova AI is actually a cross-platform AI chatbot and virtual assistant powered by advanced language models like OpenAI's GPT and DeepSeek. Get started, just choose on continue or simply follow on-screen prompts for you to be able to get into the home screen. For you to be able to use the full function of this application is you can try to pull this up with the specific subscriptions that they are trying to offer, or you can also try to enable the free trial. Have it closed temporarily at the top left. So this is going to be your interface. So what you can do with this is you can write assistance, proof reading and editing, answering questions and learning, image generation, conversational companion, and voice chat. So those are the things that you can do for you to use Nova AI app.